Hi, today I have one more potential multi-bagger for you to practice your sleuthing arts on. I said potential. But before I give you the name, here is one I have mentioned recently and also a note of caution. The first mention is Meta, mentioned on December 10 as a potential multi-bagger hiding in plain sight. The stock then was 115. Well, the company just reported last night terrific earnings, and the stock is today at 188, up 63%. Is it still a multi-bagger? Maybe, maybe not. Do your own sleuthing. The other mention here was a note of caution. On September 7, I noted that everyone in the market seemed scared and many were forecasting doom and gloom. Don't be a lemming, I said. Don't jump off a cliff. Don't be tempted to sell just because of general panic. Since then, shorts have been squeezed and the market is on its way higher against the gloom. How high can the market go? Can it surpass its all-time high? I will not be surprised. However, calling market direction is a mug's game. Better do it stock, by sleuthing the worthy ones physically. Now, which other stock is worthy of your sleuthing time now besides Meta? How about BOS? BOS-T symbol, not Airbus, but Airbus. Boss as in chief. BOS, trading in Toronto. The company, based in Hamilton, Ontario, is a well-diversified production company. It makes parts for automotive, heavy commercial construction, oil and gas, defense industry in Canada, the US, and internationally. However, it also makes healthcare protective equipment, like personal respiratory protective devices, rapid deployment negative pressure isolation shelters, and chemical, biological, radioactive protective equipment. And it's the last one, the virus protection, that caused a huge run-up in the stock, which turned into a rout. You see, during the last months of COVID, Bay Street was looking for companies that would benefit from it, and it became over-enthusiastic about Airbus and drove the price to $45 Canadian, an all-time high, fantasizing about huge US contracts just about to arrive. Company people expressed perplexity at such prophecies, and when none materialized, the over-enthusiastic stock sank and sank and sank all the way back to 8. When Bay Street gets disappointed, even based on its own idiotic forecast, it punishes the stock, and the more innocent the stock, the bigger the punishment. Life. Which is, of course, when sleuths get interested. Company insiders, too, got interested and began buying, as was the company itself, which announced shares buyback. Then some modest contracts were received, and the company and the stock seemed poised to continue on its long-term growth. The stock recovered from 8 to 11. What was the peak? As I said, $45 Canadian. Will it get back there again? Who knows? I, of course, can't tell. But if it does, I'm saying if, it would be a 4-bagger from here. Will it? Go ahead and practice your sleuthing skills on it and see for yourself. Practice how? Read my book, The Sleuth Investor, for the method. And in a month, buy my second book, The Advanced Sleuth Investor, and learn some more advanced sleuthing tricks. In a way, sleuth investing is almost an unfair sport, doing old-fashioned detective legwork to take the money of the lazybones who prefer to stay home with a cup of coffee and go click, 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 buy, sell on the internet based only on blips they see on the screen, blips that everyone else sees too. Real information is not just blips, it's physical. Physical information you get yourself. Go sleuth for it and you'll find out. That's all for today. Let me know in a comment below what you think of the above, and if you like it, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Then tell all your friends who they're subscribed to. I'll see you next time, and meantime, thank you very much for watching.